Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I'll be continuing guys with the strategy, but because if you are the strategy is working, you have to back test it continuously, so that it can prove whether it is working or not. So guys, we will be looking at the previous day. If you have not watched my other videos, go and watch them guys, because now we are continuing with the strategy, and there are many videos about Fibonacci, about the Fibonacci strategy, but now we are continuing. We are using it on bigger time frames. So go there and watch it guys, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. So we are going to place it guys on this previous week, predicting the week which we already predicted. In this case, we are going to be looking at this highest price and this lowest. So why like this? Rule number one guys, you must identify whether your week was an uptrend or a downtrend. So look at this one guys, look at this one. This one was not an uptrend or a downtrend, it was a cross, because the week opened there and then the market closed below. So it was some sort of a cross when you look at the weekly candle. So but placing a Fibonacci, it can help us also to see whether, because inside the week guys, as long as we have the highest price, the lowest price, as long as we have the highest and the lowest price, remember, professionals immediately they realize that that is the highest price and this is the lowest price. They start moving, they start using the Fibonacci and start using it. So um, many people, they might think that Fibonacci, you have to use it after the week has closed. No, as long as you have the highest price and the lowest price, the professionals start using the Fibonacci, because they know, right? So what you have to know is that even if you have the week has ended and then you have inserted your lowest your Fibonacci from high to low, it does not mean that it didn't work on that week, right? So here they started entering their positions on that week, because they had highs and low and they have confirmed them, right? But you don't know whether this is the true high, right? So it means that you will start entering after the market has created it means you'll start entering the next week, but they entered on the same week. So look at how they enter. The market broke the 50, and then they retested the 50, as you can see, yeah. So, and then they started selling. And then the other week it was a sell, because the Fibonacci already, it has been broken, right? That's the reason candlestick pattern, when you see a candlestick which is across, they tell you that it's a reversal and all those stuff. But it depends on Fibonacci. It is not always a reversal, right? So implementing Fibonacci on a cross candlestick, you might get the clear picture of what is going to happen with the price, right? So and one another thing guys, I told you that the price is very important. It is very important. You cannot just enter using moving averages and all those things. You have to enter knowing the exact support resistance, right? Because entering at a support, it helps you to place your stop loss. I'll place another example on how should you place the stop loss, because the stop loss, it's important for you, so that if your strategy is not working, you will be stopped out, right? And then you will go back to the drawing board and see if you can change some other stuff, right? So as you can see here guys, we inserted the Fibonacci, and then the market broke the Fibonacci on the same week, which means the other week you knew already that this week it's a sell, because it is below the Fibonacci, right? And then it was going to be a sell until let me show you something guys. As you can see, look at this respect below at Fibonacci 26881. I inserted the Fibonacci. Look at this respect here guys, this respect. So even the other numbers, they do work, right? They do work. In this case, it did work. It did hold the market. Even here, look at here. The market braked and then retested the 161.8, and then it continues selling. So this is my Fibonacci strategy guys, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, so that many people, they can manage to reach it, because if the channel is not that it does not have many many subscribers in my app, and it is not that famous, even though it is helping some of you. So guys, if it is helping some of you, please make sure that you subscribe so that we can help more people with our knowledge. So in this case, look at the 61.8, it was respected, and also this one was respected, meaning that professionals were looking at this Fibonacci. So you are not looking at something which is it is not working, you are looking at something which works. And as long as you are disciplined enough, and also to know whether it's a breakout, you must wait for a breakout and then retest, and then you enter, and then a bounce. It's either a bounce or a breakout. And also guys, a stop loss, you must put it above your line. It must not be tight, but it must be above. Let's take you, we wanted to enter at a 161.8 here. It means our stop loss, we're going to put it above here, right? So and after entering, let me clarify the issue of stop loss on some of the other stuff. Okay guys, we'll continue on our next video. I'll be teaching you about how to place a stop loss using Fibonacci, because stop loss is very important to enter and to know where to exit, and also to set your stop loss based on technical analysis. You know, there's a technical a stop loss based on technical analysis, and then just a stop loss. So I'll be teaching you on the next video a stop loss based on technical analysis, which is very important. Until next time guys, stay tuned on my other videos.